Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by mounting the rack and taking a quick inventory. This saves time later. Attach horizontal managers and vertical channels now, because once cables run you cannot retrofit cleanly. Label every cable by function and endpoint. Make sure to note length and port. Use Velcro straps, not zip ties, for initial grouping so you can shift bundles. Keep power and data separated for noise reasons. Once done, double-check that the rack is level and anchored securely to prevent strain on connectors. You now route trunk and patch cables through the channels you installed. This is where discipline matters. Keep bend radii gentle and avoid 90 degrees turns to preserve performance. Use color-coded Velcro in 1/2 or 1 inch increments to secure bundles and leave service loops of about 1 U for retermination. Make sure to map each labeled cable to switch ports as you seat them, so you don't create confusion later. Once routed, tighten management arms just enough to support weight without compressing jackets. You finish by testing every run and documenting the rack layout so future changes are fast. Use a cable tester or verify link lights. Record patch panel numbers and power circuits in a single sheet. Make sure to secure remaining slack and mark spares. If something fails, start troubleshooting. Swap to a known good port, check connectors for pin damage, and inspect bend radius and strain at termination. This isolates the fault quickly. Once fixed, update your documentation and verify operation before closing the rack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.